In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Files app in Microsoft Teams Essentials. Think of the Files experience in Teams as your central hub for sharing, accessing, and collaborating on documents. Depending on where a file is shared, it's stored either in your personal OneDrive for business or in your Teams SharePoint site. That means files shared in channels are available to everyone in that team, while files shared in a chat are limited to the people in that conversation. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. Let's start with where to find your files. Inside a team, open the specific channel you need. At the top, you'll see the Files tab. Everything shared in that channel is collected here, so the whole team can easily find and work on the same documents without hunting through messages. If you're working in a one-on-one or group chat, open that chat and select the Shared or Files tab at the top. These items live in your OneDrive for business and are shared only with the participants in that chat. It's a great way to keep small group work contained and private. You can also browse all your personal files from the left-hand app bar. Look for OneDrive, sometimes labeled as Files or tucked under the More menu. This view brings together your own files, recently accessed documents, and items shared with you from across teams. Uploading is straightforward. In any Files tab, select Upload to pick files or folders from your computer, or just drag and drop them into the Teams window. If you need to start something new, choose New and create a Word, Excel, or PowerPoint file right inside Teams, with no extra setup. Collaboration is seamless. Click the file to open it and edit in Teams, the web, or the desktop app. Multiple people can work at the same time, and changes save automatically, so no one is stuck merging versions later. When it's time to manage access, hover over a file and open More options. From there, you can adjust who can view or edit, or use Share or Copy Link to send a direct link. For advanced permissions or library settings, choose Open in SharePoint to fine-tune details. To quickly locate documents, use the search bar at the top of Teams to find files by name or even by content. If there's a document you use often, pin it to the top of a channel or chat so it's always within reach. Finally, remember that Teams keeps version history for files. To review or restore a previous version, open the file location in SharePoint and view the version history there. That's it, your streamlined workflow for managing files in Microsoft Teams Essentials. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions.